Hello, good morning. Hello, beauty lovers. This is the GenQi machine that I got. Had an unboxing it, and this is the machine. My team, my business partner, will show how to use it. Okay, why GenQi machine? Because first, I want to have I already have an existing spa, so I want to have to give varieties of services to my clients, and then to have a passive income, just for women actually, how they can have a passive income without spending too much on the capital. So if you want to know more about GenQi machine, please contact me at 016-364-2035 so that we can assist you how to use it for yourself and also for your team member.